subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has launched two new camera-centric phones under S series in China called Vivo S12 and S12 Pro. Among these two, the Vivo S12 Pro is a higher variant with curved edges. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo S12 Pro features a 6.56-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a tall 19.8:9 aspect ratio and 91.39% screen-to-body ratio. The screen supports HDR10+ and up to 90Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset, paired with Mali G77 MC9 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the camera, the Vivo S12 Pro supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner that houses a 108MP main camera with f1.88 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 120° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has a dual camera setup and a wide notch at the top center that includes a 50MP main camera with f2.0 aperture plus 8MP wide-angle lens with 105° field of view support, and there is dual LED flash to take bright images in low light conditions. Both the front and rear cameras of the phone can capture 4K videos at 30 frames per second. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with Origin OS Ocean Skin on top, and it is equipped by a large 4300 mAh battery that supports 44W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes VC liquid cooling system that helps to maintain the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.46 by 73.27 by 7.36 mm, and it weighs around 171 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo S12 Pro has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 3,399 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 3,699 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now offer pre-orders in the country in black, blue and gold color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from December 30th. So what do you guys think of this Vivo S12 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.